Hey you guys, your girl Michelle, and welcome back to my channel. Bet you wanna know just what your girl eats when. Bet you wanna know just what your girl eats when. You guys, so I know y'all can tell something a little different. Your girl got a new cut, some color. I'm feeling like me. I'm feeling like E. Let me stop. Oh yeah, I recorded how I achieved this look, how I cut it, how I colored it, how I got this quick weave to look so natural. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Guys, so I actually lost the clip of how I colored my hair. I'm so sorry, but if y'all insist, I will definitely do a separate video on how I did color it. Very simple. Okay, so right here y'all see me measuring the weft to the back of my big old head, and I'm going to cut, then glue this track on. Okay, so before I actually glue my tracks on, I like to take some of my spritz and spray it all over the mold that I have, and then I'll be using my 30-second bonding glue that I got from my local beauty supply store. Another thing, I didn't get to show you guys how I molded my hair down, but once again, very simple. I just took some, I just oiled my scalp and then applied a ton of brown gel to my hair, and then I also applied this like shield, this protective shield on my hair, so like the glue wouldn't damage my actual hair. Also, I just molded my hair in a direction so my hair can be in a side part, and I left my edges out so none of that will be, you know, pulled from the cap and glue and all that good stuff. During the course of this video, you're going to see me using my handy dandy blow dryer just so I can speed up the processing of the glue drying onto the cap. It's just me or y'all can tell this too, but I feel like my voice sounds so much different when I do voiceovers. I don't know what it is. Like, I feel like my voice sounds more high-pitched than usual. I don't know. I don't have a problem with this voice, but I just feel like it just sounds so different. So leave a comment down below if my voice sounds different to you. I'm kind of interested to know. Okay, you guys, so when it comes to closing up the top of my hair, I do not take the tracks all around like in a U shape. I actually cut the tracks in half and I glue them, let's see if I can make sense of this. I glue them like on that one side that I'm working on, if that makes sense. You feel me? Like, I don't go all around in the U part. You know what I mean? Just watch, you see? Bam, just like that. I didn't take it all around. You get my drift? Okay, yeah, that's what I do. this part is the most serious part, okay, because you do not want to cut or leave out your hair. So what I do is, I'm not sure if you can see, I stick my pointer finger in the cap and I lift up while I cut, so that therefore I won't be cutting any of my hair and nothing that shouldn't be cut. All right. Okay, so I don't know what possessed me to cut my hair the way I did, and yeah, I just was not feeling it. I was very unhappy. Look how choppy that is. Like, yikes. Like, this just did not come out cute at all. But your girl ain't no punk, so I'm about to get in and fix it up, alright? Like, I'm gonna make this witchy poo hairstyle work, okay? Watch me work. Done, you guys. Now onto the edges. I'm going to be using this beeswax edge control. Sorry guys, my focus is kind of off. And then I'm also going to use this other edge control. I forgot the name, but I will leave the link down to where you can find it in the description box down below. Whew, that's a lot to say, but yes, I don't do much on my edges. I just do a little swoop swoop like this, and bam, you know, that's what it is. You feel me? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long and it got straight to the points. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm kind of in a rush because I'm getting ready to go somewhere. That's why your girl looking kind of cute. Guys, do not forget to check out Music Monday. It comes out, of course, on Mondays, every Monday. And don't forget to check out Talk That Talk Tuesday. And it comes out, of course, every Tuesday. So be looking out for that. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay up.